Hey, welcome and welcome back.
OMG.
Do you see this? Yay! Yep, I got Maniology. So excited. Yeah, it took me a minute, but I finally got it. Maniology. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you all. I'm excited. They were having a sale, buy one, get two free, I believe. Yeah, it's been a minute. I had things going on and couldn't get this video out when I wanted to. But anywho, let me open it and we'll check it out. And we're back. Let's check out this box. I noticed this on the sides. Unbox creativity. Yes, we will. Express yourself for sure. Are you ready? Wait for it. Here we go. Nope. Wait for it. Nope. Wait for it. Yay! What will you create? Here's all the goodies. Let me get them out and we'll take a look at them. Here's inside the box. Now let's check out the goodies I got. A beautiful card. It says hello savings. Oh, it's a spring. And here's the back of it. And here's a beautiful sticker. Let's check out the goodies I got. We'll move these out of the way and check out the polishes first. We'll check out the green box first. And here's the back of it. We'll take a look at this. It's a sticky base, B384. And Sondra sparkly says base coat is a must-have, so I got it. She also stamps the color of the polishes on top of the lids. I'm not going to because I forgot to get the smudge-proof top coat. And if you don't know Sondra, she is the stamping queen of the Nail Sisters. Go check her out. You won't be disappointed. Hey Sondra, love you girl. I seen this color and I had to have it. Plus, I think it'll go with some nail stickers I've got. And it's Nightingale B424. I think it's beautiful. What do you think? Now this one is a green. I got it because some of the stamping plates I got. And it is Seeding B429. It is a beautiful green. I'm happy I got them. Now let's see what we got in this black box. And here's the back of it. We have a light purple and a red. If you've been with me any length of time, you know I've always got to get a purple. This one is Bliss B518. And we can always use a red. Pout B539. The last box of polishes. And as you'll see, I picked the primary color so I can mix to make other colors. A blue and a yellow. Alice B468 and Honeydew B471. Now let's look at the stamping plates. And at the time when I got them, some of them were new. They had just come out with them. So this one is NPM396. Here's the instructions on how to stamp. Maniology on the back of the stamping plate. I believe you call this filigree. I hope that's right. I don't want to take the blue film off until I'm ready to use them, and plus I don't want to blind you. So I'm using the shadow of my phone, so hopefully you can see the stamping plates. But I love these patterns. They're so stunning, elegant, classy. Yeah, I can try to paint them on, but they're not as good as a stamping plate. So I got this one because I absolutely love them. NPMO93. It's a honeybee stamping plate. Oh, look! I've always wanted to do honeybee nails, so I finally think I've got enough to do those. But it's so cute. Look at them. Oh, I can't wait to do some bee nails. And I can't wait to try this stamping stuff out. NPM564. Once upon a time. I have an idea for a set of nails. I don't know when I'll be able to do them, but I hope I can pull them off. And yes, it's once upon a time is a kind of an idea of what I'm wanting to do, but hopefully I can do it soon. Just bear with me. I am trying to get some more nails out. And I'm so sorry if I'm blinding you. NPM566. And this one's got butterflies, bunnies, flowers. I thought it was cute. And I also think it's more advanced. I think it's called reverse stamping you can do with this one, I'm pretty sure. And with some of the others too. Correct me if I'm wrong, Sondra. I've not done this much. NPM574. It's a fairy plate. I got some stickers I like to use on a nail sometime. And this plate would be good to use with those stickers. Look at the fairies, they're so cute. It'd be so much fun to use this plate. I love fairies, anything mystical. NPM579. A prince and princess plate, which would go good with the other plate. I like that one. And that one. I like them all. That's all my goodies, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate it so, so much. And I couldn't do it without you. And I love you all. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It only takes a second. Give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. It only takes a second. And if you want to comment, well, it may take a few seconds, But just know I will always get back to you as soon as I can. And I appreciate each comment and I read them all. Thank you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. See ya.